year began with a special activity, Spelling Bee Contest, in which all the students had the opportunity to be ready to spell the words. They studied a word list to participate in the preliminary and final rounds. Just 3 students of each grade from Kinder 2 to 12th grade could be involved at the last competition, held from Tuesday 27 to Thursday 29 at the MC Auditorium, where the parents of students that classified attended to the activity in order to support their children. The best part was at the end when the jury pronounced the winners. This is Blasting News. I am Liana Contreras. Thanks for watching.